Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time zone and the time you are watching with us. My name is Azuike Gospel Obinna. Basically, on this channel, we'll be taking beginners on the use of Archicad software. We'll progress to using general designing softwares, but we'll focus on Archicad at the moment. So, here's the user interface, the work environment, launch your program, and it will bring you right to the spot. I'm going to be doing a simple store design or a room design to show you how the environment works. So first we'll be starting with a wall. You choose the size of your wall, the height of your wall, which is 3000. You can make your wall thickness to be 150, and there you go. I've basically designed a wall. Here you can view in your 3D. So this is the wall I just brought into reality. But since we'll be working with dimensions, I'm going to be more specific with what I'm going to do. Let's say we'll be working with 10 feet room or 10 feet store, which is, remember to add your wall to whatever dimension you want to do, which is 3150. There you have it. There you have it. So we have a room design for your wall, for your store. Let's go ahead to do some basic designs. Have your slab, you can make it 600, 600. Go with your door, 900, 2. There you have it. Beautiful. It's a simple design. And your roof, you can choose to put in your parapet design or concrete design, concrete facial roof. Sorry about that. So there you have it. This is a simple design of a store outlet. Going forward, I'll be guiding everyone slowly on basic design using the Archicad softwares. It's basically simple for beginners to navigate through the Archicad software compared to other designing softwares. This you can add word, colors, textures to your wall. Colors, textures to your wall. Just wanted to show you or a simple step in the use of the Archicad software. Going forward, I'll be showing you all how to do basic and specific designs using the Archicad software. Stay tuned and hit the follow button.